How to download trade reports from Forex.com app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to download the trade reports from the Forex.com app, you need to head over to the app settings. Here in the bottom right, you can see the accounts icon. Tap on this. Once you are in your account settings page, if you scroll down over here in the My Trading History section, you can see this statements option. Tap on this. From here, you can gather the trade reports. First of all, select the time range. You can select the start date and the end date, and you will get the trade reports within that time frame. You can tap on search, and the reports will appear over here. Since I don't have any trading history in my account, so it is not showing anything over here, but the trade reports will appear here, and you can download that trade reports easily. So that's a very easy process to download trade reports from Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.